Hello everyone, my name is Alper from MobilityPay. I'm here today to talk and give a brief idea about our upcoming launch for EMV Max Validation Suite for the EMV chip card testing, which is targeted to use by the companies for manufacturing, testing, certifying and issuance of EMV card in their premises. Mobility was working the last 2 years on development of new testing tool. MAXxEMV Card Validation Suite to bring an innovative approach to ease and make an efficient way of testing for EMV-based bank, chip and Max type cards. I think everyone would agree with me that we live in such a time that everything requires to be handled rapidly. So we developed a desktop application to fulfill the gap of addressing this purpose for the EMV chip card testing. MAXxEMV Validation Suite meets the expectation for being flexible and comprehensive on MAXxEMV chip card testing. As we know, having the card delivered with certified profile values for the banks and personalization bureaus is crucial. MAXxEMV Validation Suite provides the environment for that purpose. So, we purpose card profile testing against any predefined profile facility to compare two card structure, test physical cards and as per MAXxML image or vis-a-vis API file, test card as per generated EMV data in database, and comprehensive report generation about tests. For whom? Personalization bureaus, banks, card manufacturers, payment application developers, card issuers, payment schemas, test laboratories. In terms of time, we can say less time spent doing routine manual testing, more time available for complex development time. Test pack can be run in minutes when it previously took hours. To explore all card structure as per generated customer data and schema profile. In terms of quality, greater test coverage finds more defects than regular card checking. The tool can be run automatic mass card mode, ensuring the quality remains high for card production. Fewer defects in production equals happier customers. For the cost, saves money over time by preventing of any defective cards dispatch. Avoids taking on temporary staff to do the same testing. Reduce the time to take into test, so saving the cost. Fewer defects in production and prevent extra card issuing cost. Let's have a look for the versions. First one is MAXxEMV Inline Validation. MAXxEMV Inline Validation starts validating the chip card once the chip personalization is completed. Before the living chip station, the card has been validated and standard reports generated by the system. Who can use this model? Who wants to do 100% card validation? And who has high volume of card validation? The next version is MAXxEMV Desktop Validation. MAXxEMV Desktop Validation involves the desktop printer to perform the continuous card validation based on the card inputs. It validates the chip and max type and compares the data with MCCP or vis-a-vis API profile. Who can use this model? Who wants to do 100% card validation? Who has medium or less volume of card validation? Who wants to do continuous card validation on single click button? The last version is MAXxEMV Standalone Validation. MAXxEMV Standalone Validation comes up with a compact device model with a touchscreen and motorized card reader on it. This device can be used for one-by-one card validation and report generation. It also comes with a battery, so we can carry this device from location to another location. Who can use this model? Who has single or low batch of volume of card validation? Who wants to use compact touchscreen device for card validation? And these are a couple of screenshots from the application. As you can see on the left, you can see the card structure. On the right side, transaction logs. On the left side, comparison of cards and profile values. On the right side, test report and validation result. Thank you for listening.